Hello, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is the deck, a brand new deck that's in store called Your First Tarot by Victoria Maxwell. Now, it's a beginner deck. It's based on the Waite Smith deck. It's simple, straightforward, and easy to use, featuring keywords. As we know, I love keywords on each card to guide the reader on the path. This deck helps the tarot newbie access empowering tool for self-discovery, self-development, and deeper spiritual connection. Lovely. Okay, so that's the little box it comes in. That's actually quite a handy box because you don't need a tarot box if you've got this little guy. I really do. I think it's very attractive. We've got a bit of a gold or a gilt-edged theme going on here. It's very pastel in colour. Okay, and then you've got before we go through the cards, so you've got the book, and within the book, the index says, I don't want to bend it too much, it says Introduction to the Tarot System, so you get a bit of background, card spreads, the majors and the minors, and about the author. So an introduction here. Oh, yeah, it is my most heartfelt intention that this tarot deck and guidebook will serve as a guiding star for you on your journey, lighting the path to your most magical life. May your inner wisdom and connection with the highest truths be awakened, and may your tarot cards help you live your most empowered life. So it is, with so much love, Vix. Now, I have to say that that's one of the reasons why I do what I do, where you've got a lot of words here, a lot of information on how to use a tarot before we get into the spreads. And that's why I do it, because it's such an empowering journey, and it's a journey that is literally lifelong. You never know it all, and it just keeps surprising you, and you keep learning different aspects. Sorry, let me move up slightly. So you can see there we've got the introduction, the spreads, and then the cards. So empowering meaning, so that's the difference. You've got the keywords and the meanings, and then reversals as well. So you've got, and then affirmations for each card, and the minors, same. And then a little bit about the author at the very back. It said, didn't it? There she is, Vix Maxwell. Okay, so that's the book that goes with it. Let's have a look at the cards. I mean, if you're used to the Rider-Waite, and I love I'm loving this whole little run that I'm having on gilt-edged cards. I really do. I think it just makes them so luxurious looking. Right, so let's have a look at them. Now, I might actually just do that, and then it's quicker, isn't it? So we don't have to. Slow me down if you want to by using the settings. But these are, you've got the title, the number, the title, the image we're all familiar with for the Rider-Waite, and spiritual teacher advice and tradition. I love this because it's the giving and the receiving of knowledge. So when you're learning, you see, you've got absolutely everything you need right there. There's no surprise in these images. They're the Rider-Waite ones. They're recoloured with, obviously, this pastel vibe. And sometimes it means you can see the things you can see the crayfish. So you can see there's this path that's soon to be revealed. And now you're in control of the speed. If you think I'm going too quickly, just slow it down. Turn the volume off. You don't need to hear me or the noise of the cards. I'm going through quite quickly because there's not actually, if you're used to the Rider-Waite Smith, you've got, I do very often go through the meanings of the cards, but I've got a video that says how to read all 78 cards. And with gilt edges, sometimes they stick initially when you're using them. It's because they've been sealed, essentially. I'm going to pull a card in a minute to show you. I'll do 3 cards so you can see. And as I said, you know, use the video that I've already done on the meanings of each of the cards. I go through them quite quickly, 30 minutes, and I give you the meanings of each of the cards' keywords, so you can actually read the pictures, and that's how I do it. Did I get the glare of the overheads as we move into winter? Okay, right, so let's just have, all right, the size-wise, good sturdy stock. I would actually divide this deck quite considerably before shuffling. Oh, it's a nice shuffle too. Very nice shuffle for overhead. I don't rifle because I'm so protective of my decks, and I like to hang on to them forever, which is a bit of a thing. So of course I find that it bends the deck it bends the cards. So I prefer to, right, I'm just going to pull out 3 cards. Let's just see, I'm sure there'll be, right, there we go, 1, just randomly. This is not 1. So we're going to do a past, present, future, 2 and 3, just from anywhere in the pack. And I've got 4 cards. So past, I'm going to put that one away. Present and future. Oh, we like that one, don't we? So right, so from the past, that I had a new idea and had some clarity about something. In the present here, because I'm just reading the cards, and it makes it so easy to read the cards. And then in the here and now, you can see that I've got big dreams and I need to make some plans and look at the future that's ahead for me. Dreams come true, happily, I always call it the HEA, happy ever after. So that's how you read with them when you've got all of the keywords on there. Okay, so I hope that you found that interesting. I say it's a really good deck for beginners. I like it. There's another one I did as well, Simplicity Tarot, a while back, and it had the keywords on there as well. I'll pop the link for both actually on the description. But oh, I like it. It's really easy to. It's quite a luxurious shuffle. It feels nice and sturdy. Yeah, it feels very much like the old. Those of you that have been around a while, you know what I mean about the old Rider-Waite. They really move beautifully through the hand. This is very similar. Yeah, huge plus there, Rockpool. That's a good shuffle. Okay, so that is your first tarot by Victoria Maxwell. I hope that you've enjoyed that. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.